Hello and welcome to the Jefferson County PVA website. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how you can view your past and current invoices. We are going to first start by navigating to the Jefferson County PVA homepage at jeffersonpva.ky.gov. Let's log in using the center login box of the homepage. Enter your username and password, and then click the Login button. Now click on the Account button at the top right of the page. You will see a drop-down menu with links to manage your account. Click on the Invoices link. You will be directed to the Invoices page. Here you can view your past and current invoices. It is important to remember to log out after you are finished using the Jefferson County PVA website. For security measures, if you forget to log out, your account will be temporarily frozen for a period of time. If you need any additional help with the website, please browse our support section.